So hello guys, so share ko lang tong magandang nangyari para kay Mr. para sa kanyang birthday. Dahil matagal na talaga niya tong pinangarap. And then ngayon, binigyan siya ng kanyang customer ng napaka i-commute sa niya to. Napaka mahal na hot tub. So ayan siya. So kailangan lang siya linisan pero mukhang bago pa rin siya guys. Yung cover lang niya is parang kanang madumi pero linisan okay na yan. So chine-check ni Mr. yung price niya guys, and then parang $16,000. So ipapakita ko yung picture pero hindi ako sure, basta yun yung lumabas. Sinesearch niya yung hot tub na yan, and then ito talaga yung pinapangarap niya na magkaroon ng hot tub. And then dahil nga napakamahal, and then napakadami niyang binubuhay, so binubuhay niya kami guys, and then siya lang mag-isa nagtrabaho. So ayan, binigyan siya ni Lord ng napaka-gandang hot tub guys for free galing sa kanyang customer. So napakabait ng kanyang customer guys, and then sabi niya mapira daw. So yeah, so ganun. So ang reason lang is bibili sila ng bagong hot tub, kaya binigay niya kay Mr. So gumastos lang si Mr. ng $300 para sa katong ganang gisakyan ani ba kanang. So lang siya, nag-rent siya ng ganong truck para madala lang to dito. So ayan, tingnan nyo, may plastic pa. So alright guys, so napakagandang birthday present para sa kanya. So yeah, so ayun lang guys. So thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.
That one?
Oh. That's probably $200-300 right here. With the breakers in.
Oh, so it's included.
Yeah.
What?
Pretty cool.
It's pretty cool.
Nice, huh?
Very nice.
Yeah.
One.
So the price was right. Free.
Yeah, it's free. So did that one. Holy cow.
So you got a place built to put it. So.